Yeah. Channel. My name is Dior. Why am I talking with food in my mouth? Hold on. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dior and I am back with another video because today is October 1st and I'm literally so excited. I love when it's a new month, I just love when it's a new month, you know. I made it to another month, thank you Jesus. So as you saw, I washed my face, I made my bed and all that. Today is a work day, so we won't be doing much today. I just made myself some breakfast. I'm having some bagels, well, a bagel, a boiled egg, and then some yogurt, and I put like some stuff in there like chocolate chips, granola, and coconut. And then you saw me make this delicious coffee. It is so good. Starbucks who? At this point, I'm a barista. Just doing some skincare right now. I got these eye patches on because I do have work, so I don't want to look so tired, but I'm actually not tired. I got a pretty good night's sleep last night, and I'm excited to conquer on the day. But right now it is 3:34 p.m. I was gonna go to the gym, but honestly I don't think I'm gonna have time to do it today, and if I do go, it won't be like a good workout because I just don't have enough time. And I want to write out all my goals, and I need to update my calendar because it's still stuck in September. Getting ready and it is 5:30. I'm not gonna have time to wash my car or get a car wash, so I figure I have work tomorrow as well, but I get off work at 7. I can go get a car wash and clean out my car after work because I don't go right to sleep anyways when I get off work. So I'm just gonna do that instead of cleaning my car before work. I just don't feel like it. It's one of those days where I started off with great energy, high vibes, but I don't know, I just don't feel like it today. Today's hair is looking like this. I'm kind of feeling it. I don't normally wear my hair like this to work. I normally wear like a slick bun, but you know, it's a new month and I feel like wearing my hair out like this, so that is what we're gonna do. It is really chilly in the hospital, so I'm wearing this jacket and it's chilly outside anyways. I want to get a new jacket off of Amazon, like a nice warm one, but this would do for now. I don't want to wear my other jacket because it's green and I just don't like wearing green on green on green, even though it's my uniform. I like to break it up, so I am wearing gray. I put on deodorant already, but I'm just gonna make sure I put on some more because we be moving, okay? I'm just gonna pack my lunch. I don't know what I'm gonna bring, but just something quick and easy to make at like 2 o'clock in the morning because that's when I normally take my lunch break. Yeah, that's about it. When I work at the hospital, I typically don't use my heavy perfumes because the patient's noses are already sensitive to scents and smells, and they're just going through a lot already. So I don't want to, like, you know, make them irritated with the scents because they are heavy. So I'm just using warm vanilla sugar, which you could still smell this, but it's a very light smell. That is it. I'm gonna put on my eye cream though underneath my eye because I didn't do this today. And that's it. I will see you guys in the car. I'm just gonna go pack my lunch and we're gonna go to work. All right, you guys, I'm gonna have to leave the camera at home because my tripod is not cooperating at all. So my car tripod, that is not cooperating, and I'm gonna be late for work if I don't leave out now. So I'm gonna leave the camera at home, and maybe I'll swing by my house and pick it up before I go wash my car so you guys can come with me to clean my car out. But yeah, it's just not working like at all, and I've been trying to set this up for a good 5 minutes and I'm gonna be late. So I'm gonna leave the camera at home and I will see you guys in the morning. Hey guys, today we are going to go get a car wash, and it's been so long since I've gotten a car wash, and I already went to class today. I had lab and lecture, but it's like 4:30, and I'm just gonna clean out my car, and I want to go to the gym and get a workout in, but I'm so tired. I'm not gonna make excuses today, so I am gonna go to the gym and get a quick workout in, but I don't really feel like it, but I'm going to because I need to. So that one looked pretty empty, and I'm just gonna go there to clean out my car in peace. 1, 2, and 3. Am I the only one that counts at the stop signs when it stops? I always be like 1, 2, and 3 every time. Like, doesn't matter if I'm talking, I always have to stop and say 1, 2, and 3 and count and then go. I have no idea where I'm going, you guys. I just turned down a random street to turn back around, and I don't know where I'm going. But yeah, I'm sorry guys, my energy is just so low today. I don't know why. Like, why are you following me? I don't like that. It was giving me anxiety. It was like a police officer behind me. Don't like that feeling. Like, you can run my plates literally all you want. It's gonna come back clean. Never been arrested for anything. I just don't like that feeling, mate. It's like, why are you interrogating me? I'm just trying to get a car wash. Just trying to wash my car. You thought I was for you? He ate it for lunch. I love everybody, but you ain't anybody. I will do it again. You hurt me.
She's a spice, ride pipe like bike, like Yokohama. She heard the thing bend like banana, so she wanna give me the other that's all I know. She don't sing songs, but if I go strong, she gon' hit this high note. She knows she working with the nana. She wanna give me the other nana. Yeah. She say I'm a sweeter man. She say that she don't need a man. What if we make an agreement, then we can't just wipe for being friends? Girl, I know you want it. I know you want it. Girl, I know you want it. I know you want to, girl.
Feel just like this, and if you want it, I hate you. Say you feel me, feel just like this.
was a good workout though. But I'm done, you guys. I'm about to go home and shower